In this PSIA information skills lesson, you will receive tips to improve your speed in searching. For the competition, you will have 30 minutes to try to answer 24 questions. That averages to 1 minute 15 seconds for each question. So let's learn some tips to search fast. Tip number 1. Use your device's copy and paste features. Highlight the word or words you want to copy with a mouse or pointing device, then enter Ctrl-C to copy. If you happen to be on a Mac, it will be Command-C. To paste the word or words, put your mouse in the search bar and enter Ctrl-V, or if you are on a Mac, Command-V. Tip number 2. Use short phrases. For example, if the question asks what is the chemical formula for magnesium chloride, you could type in, what is the chemical formula for magnesium chloride? Whew! But that is a lot of typing. Instead, pick out the most important words or short phrase from the question. Here I am going to start typing in magnesium. And before I type in the full word, it brings up the next tip. Tip number 3. Consider search engine suggestions. Back to the question, what is the chemical formula for magnesium chloride? I was partway through entering magnesium when I see Google suggests magnesium chloride. So I will stop typing and click on that link. It will bring up a web page, and it happens to have the chemical formula listed. Tip number 4. Use most specific or unique part of the question to start the search. In the introduction video, we had the question, who was the United States President in the year the inventor of spam was born? There have been over 40 U.S. presidents so far, but only one person invented spam, so the most logical first search is inventor of spam. Tip number 5. Use find when you are searching a long web page. This is very useful for pages like Wikipedia that has a ton of information. On most computers, you can use Ctrl-F to open a find box that you can type in what you are searching for. Tip number 6. The category name can provide clues about the answer. For the category that has 2 letters, the answer consists of 2 words, where each word starts with the letter in the category. Other categories, like colorful names, gives a clue that the answer should be a person with a color in their name. Tip number 7. Look over the 6 categories and start with the category you think will be easiest first, and do the hardest category last. Personally, I think the 2-letter categories are easy, so that is where I would start. Tip number 8. If you are having trouble finding the answer for a particular question, move on to the other questions and come back to this problem at the end if you have time. That completes the training tips. In the next training sessions, we will be practicing by taking tests from previous years. After we discuss the test in the training session, we can view an interactive video of how an information skills coach answered the same questions. Before the next training session, let's practice these tips and have some fun with your family. Have them provide a song title or lyrics from a song that was popular when they were in middle or high school. You will need to find which band or artist sang the song and in which year the lead singer was born. Here is an example from my middle school years. Who sang Crocodile Rock? In what year was the lead singer born? Have fun with your family on this assignment, and your information skills coach will see you at your next training.